What's up, guys? Mike here with Real Broker. Welcome to my new listing at 921 Toll Circus in Mississauga. Enjoy the tour. Discover the perfect blend of comforts and convenience with this charming home located in the heart of Mississauga. Nestled in the mature sought after neighborhood, it offers an ideal setting for families or everyone seeking a welcome community. The home features spacious living arrangement with three cozy bedrooms and three bathrooms, providing an ample room to relax to unwind. Additionally, finished basement, which could be a perfect for guests or in-laws room. The area is served by great schools including John Cabot Catholic School, St. Vincent School, and many more. Everything you need is close by with Rathwood District Park just a few minutes drive away and nearby amenities such as grocery stores, Starbucks for your morning coffee, and Rockwood Mall for all your shopping needs. Enjoy the outdoor fun with activities like walking to the park or go golfing at Bathgate Golf Center and Himalayas Golf Inc. Plus, with St. George Walk-in Clinic conveniently close to you, have a peace of mind of your family healthcare needs. Come see for yourself why this neighborhood is so cherished and make this charming house your new home.